You were my first E-Cars contact. My first E-Cars contact. So 7-3 to you. Looking for an Alpha Zulu. Alpha Zulu, come on in. WA3DZS. Alpha Zulu Whiskey. Do you have a copy, over? I do. Kilo Delta 9, Alpha Zulu Whiskey. Take it away. Name is John, WA3DZS, Huddleston, Virginia. Well, good morning, John. This is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima in Lawrenceburg, Indiana, which is 17 miles to the west of the greater Cincinnati, Ohio area. And we have 56 degrees here, going up to 65 with rain all day. Looks like we're going to have a soaker for the weekend and the Flying Pig Marathon here. So we will wish the best to you, and thanks for running the net, and we won't hold you up. 89 AZW 73. All right, 7-3, Paul. We're clearing with KD9 AZW in Lawrenceburg, Indiana, and see your smiling face here on your QRZ page. Thanks for checking in, and got you covered in the log, and you're going to have a lot of interesting activity in Indiana. I guess, what is it, next week with the primaries, so it'll be interesting to see how that works out. 7-3, Paul. Thank you for checking in. I'm looking for a United Hotel Sugar, over. Okay, Kilo Bravo 3, United Hotel Foxtrot. Come on in. Thank you, John. Good morning. Good morning, Bravo 3, United Hotel Foxtrot.
This is the East Coast Amateur Radio Service Net. I'm a member.
Pretty nice day, I guess. Getting ready to go out and do a little golfing today, John. Go ahead. All right, very good. I appreciate you checking in with me again, Jeff. I have to move along because it's getting to the end of my shift, but thanks for checking in from my native Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Have a great day. And I've got you in the log one more time, and QSL all your information. Anything else, Jeff? Over. That's it for now, John. Carry on. Great job. So 873 from Philly. 83 bye. All right, 7-3, Jeff. Looking for a TMF. Over. Tango Mike Foxtrot, over. Nothing heard. I'm looking for a Romeo Whiskey Charlie Portable. Romeo Whiskey Charlie Portable, over. Good morning, John. I'm not portable. I thought that's good. RWC. I'm in Bay here, upstate New York. The weather here is 34 degrees and no rain is good. I know you're near the end of your trip, so thanks for picking up, but I'm not mobile. So thank you, John. And I have your call sign is WA3, Delta Zulu. I hope I'm correct. Thank you for letting me in. All right, that's correct, Ron, and we've not only contacted each other, but I sent you a QSL sometime back. I hope you got it. So we're clearing with N2RWC. You got about a 15/9 signal down here, Ron, from Binghamton, New York. And now I'm going to say 7-3 to everybody. Thank you for checking in with me. As always, I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. And met a lot of new operators and a lot of old friends again. So I always appreciate contacts through E-Cars here. And I'm going to try to pick up a few slots next week. So with that, I'm looking for WA1STU. John, can you hear me this morning? Over. Oh, man, like you're sitting in the shack with me, John. Man, the band sounds good, over. Yeah, you're sounding good, too. It's odd that I have not been able to hear you the last couple of weeks, but you're banging in here now wall to wall. You're about S9 to 10/9, John. So I'm going to turn it over to you. Have a great swap and shop, and I think it's swap and shop today. Is it not, over? Negative. It's the 5th Saturday of the month, so I get another weekend just to do net control. Next week will be the first weekend, and I'll have swap and shop then, roll call the second, and swap and shop the third. Over. Roger that. You're a busy guy. Anyway, I'm going to clear with you, turn it over to you, and turning the net over to Whiskey Alpha 1. Sugar Tango Union up there in Northern Virginia, near my old stomping ground of Manassas. And have a great one, John, and nice to talk to you again, and hopefully we might be able to chat off frequency sometime. So have a great net, and thanks everybody for checking in with me. Have a great day. Take care. Over to you, John. All right, 7-3, John. We'll sign with WA3DZS, one of our premier net controls. And good morning, everybody. This is Whiskey Alpha 1, Sierra Tango Uniform. My name is John also. My E-Cars number is 1489, and I'm in Gainesville, Virginia, on the southwestern edge of the Manassas battlefield. It's the top of the hour. Does anybody have a schedule at the top of the hour? Any mobiles out there roaming around? Maybe too much sugar. All right, give it to me again. You're a little bit light, Jimmy. Maybe too much sugar. Kilo Bravo, too much sugar. All right, I got Ocean United Mobile. The problem is there's two mobiles. Who's the other one? It's NOAA. 8 United. Ocean United. AUOU. All right, I'll work you. I don't believe you're in my database. K8 Uniform Oscar Uniform. Good morning, my name is John. Let me have your name, please. We're Jim, Japan, in New Mexico, and we're Mobile in Salem, North Carolina. All right, what's your home QTH, Jim? Home QTH is Benton, Michigan. Benton, Michigan. Did you say Benton? Benton. F like in Fox. Okay, very good. I've got you logged in, and you're down in North Carolina. You headed home? Oh, headed down to Raleigh. Headed to Raleigh. All right, I'm in Northern Virginia, and you're about a 5 and 4 to me with a little bit of USC on it. But I've got you logged in. Anything we can do for you? Over? Okay, very good. We got to make some turns here, so we're going to pay attention here. KUOU Mobile is listening. All right, thanks for checking in, Jim. Motor safely out there. This is Whiskey Alpha 1, Sierra Tango Uniform. Any other mobile? All right, we're taking check-in 3 cars. Call WA1STU and space them out for the old man.
November 5, X-Ray Tango Charlie.
November 5 XTC, I got Hotel Bravo Charlie, and I got Underwriters Laboratory. I'll work those 3. By the way, folks, I like a list of 3. N5 X-Ray Tango Charlie. Good morning, you're not in my database. My name's John.
Good morning, John. You got a clear signal here into southeastern Virginia. I got you about 20 plus over. Very good audio.
Okay, let me have your name and your city and state.
The name is Scott, Sierra Charlie, Oscar Tango Tango. The city is Hampton, Virginia. QSL?
Oh, QSL. I have a lot of friends down there. And I'm retired Navy, Scott, so I know the area quite well. Over.
Roger that. Beautiful area. I just moved here in July and very happy here. Nice to make your contact here.
Yeah, same here. Are you on the local repeaters down there?
I don't do too much of that, but I do listen to them from time to time. More an HF guy, over.
Okay, very good. Well, they have some traffic nets on the VHF repeaters down there, and I'm part of the national traffic system, so we have some guys that see VHF net that take it to the local repeaters. Anyways, anything we can do for you?
Negative. Just wanted to check in and show you my support. I appreciate you being out there. This is November 5, X-Ray Tango Charlie.
I'll know who you are next time you check in. I've got you all saved in the database. This computer makes me look smart. All right, have a nice day down in Hampton. We'll time with N5XTC. Next we'll pick up Hotel Bravo Charlie. It's at, let's see, WB2 HPC, right?
Negative. This is Whiskey Delta 4, Hotel Bravo Charlie. The name is George. I'm in Lexington, South Carolina. Good morning. Number 4997 is my number. And good to hear you, John.
Gonna log this
Yeah,
contact.
that happens to me every time, George. I didn't recognize your voice first off, and you were the next one I was going to pick. It was a 50-50. There's 2 HPCs in my log. But I didn't have your E-Cars number in there because you just got it. That's one of the newer 4997 numbers. Good morning. How you doing?
Doing good, John. Just got me a cup of coffee, and I told my wife, I said, I got to go upstairs and meet John this morning. So have a good night. Good to hear you on there, and I'll talk to you this afternoon.
Roger that, George. Enjoy your coffee. I got a nice hot cup here right beside me, too. So it's pretty busy. I'm not getting very many sips of it. All right, we'll see you this afternoon on the NDS. We'll sign with WD4HPC, a brand new E-Cars member. And we're going to go.
We're clear.